First, we begin with visuals of yet another case of VIP hooliganism. TDP MLA JC Divakar Reddy created a ruckus today at Visakhapatnam Airport. You see him in those visuals where he goes after an Indigo staffer and actually pushes him. If you can see those visuals again, the MLA, threw a tantrum apparently after Indigo denied him a boarding pass for arriving late for his flight to Hyderabad, and there you see him pushing an Indigo staffer into a room and then going into that room after him. Uma Sudhir joining us at this point for more. Uma, what other details are we getting at this point? Indigo at this point unwilling to say very much about the incident?
Ankita, I have with me the Telugu Desam MP, Mr. JC Divakar Reddy sir. The footage that seems to suggest that you actually were pushing somebody and that you were actually having a spat with him. Did that happen or not?
There is no spark, there is no pushing, there is no manhandling nor anything. When I called him to come out, he was coming out. I kept this thing on his shoulder. If you feel that is a pushing and assaulting, I can't do it anything.
You used your friend, the Union Aviation Minister, who happened to be there. You contacted him so that you could get a seat subsequently.
Yes, in the same flight.
But you did arrive late at the airport. That's what the Indigo seems to indicate.
No, they may say something, but my version also you have to listen. I was there 7:35 or 7:40. I don't know. But by that time, passengers, they were waiting in that hall. Some people told me that by 7:10 itself, these people, they have closed. I asked them, closing and opening is within your hands. So open it and give it. The flight is here.
Are you saying they overbooked, or are you saying that they deliberately stopped you from getting on?
Something overbooked, or sometimes, if the passengers comes, they are selling at a higher rate. Instead of 3,000, 5,000 rupees, this Vizag flight, they are sold in 15,000 rupees. Yesterday, some of my friends, they said 18,000 also they demanded. See, nowadays, airlines, they have given full freedom by the government. So it is worse than the transport department. In buses, in bus stand, if you go, sometimes they will say Bangalore 300 rupees. If there is a demand, they will say 500 rupees. Even if anybody comes, earlier fellow who has booked, say no, over.
Did the staff actually know that you are a member of parliament?
I don't know. I never said that I am a member of parliament or anything. No, I never said. The other officer might have told me. Might have. I don't know, because first I gave this way to somebody. He has gone there. He has talked to them. After 10 minutes he came. Then I went and saw this one. All these things happened more than half an hour.
But only you were given the seat in the aircraft, not the other passengers who were really waiting.
I have no idea. They were all confirmed tickets. It might have happened because they might have sold for a higher price. And they might have, they might have refused to these people also. Maybe.
Do you feel that you did? Do you feel that you did lose your temper? Because we have had a recent incident of Mr. Gaikwad, and everybody is here because they are thinking that as a VIP you are demanding some attention.
Listen to me, madam. We are having so many urgent works here. We booked some 2 days back, 3 days back. See, my anxiety is here to see somebody, to talk to somebody, all those things. So I might have something, this thing. But I never abused anything. I never slapped nor anything. So, yeah.
So you don't feel you have any reason to say sorry or apologize?
No, there is no need at all for me. There is no sorry at all. There is no, why? Did I manhandle? Did I manhandle? Never. Here, just friendly, I might have this one. Maybe there. Please come.
The printer also, it seems the CCTV footage is showing.
No.
I never.
See, if I use that printer, it will not. After it is a plastic, this thing. Generally, I am also having printer. It is a plastic. If I throw anything, will it be like that only? Is it like that only? Is it possible? Please tell me. No.
So the earlier incident at Gannavaram also, there was an incident where they said that you had lost your temper.
They gave a ticket there also. Don't forget that in the same flight, they have given If I am wrong, how they will give? If it is...
Because you're a VIP.
I don't know that thing. I don't know. See, I came today also in the same flight. They never closed the doors. When I went there, people, they were in that Aero Bridge also. So, no question.
So there is no question of apologizing, and you don't feel that there is any reason for you to be sorry.
Listen to me. There is no delay nor anything. Exactly, it went. Even after sitting in my seat also 5-10 minutes, they have taken.
So there is no question of a VIP treatment to you.
No VIP.
And no VIP tantrum. No VIP tantrum either. Sir. So the MP certainly denying that he behaved like a VIP who's throwing a tantrum, but he did manage to get that seat on the aircraft. That's something that I must remind you about. He's talking about other passengers having been waiting along with him, but he alone certainly managed to get that seat onto the aircraft because his friend, the Union Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Ashok Gajapati Raju, also happened to be at the same Vizag airport, and he used his officers perhaps to influence the private airline, and therefore the seat to the MP who managed to come to Hyderabad on the same flight. But he did get to his
Uma, the TDP MP over there denying that there was any sort of manhandling whatsoever. But in these visuals, he appears to be actually shoving an Indigo staffer. How does he deny these pictures?
We actually showed him the footage of the CCTV itself, and he says that it is actually friendlily. I was trying to convince him, and therefore I put a hand over his shoulder, and that's how I was trying to engage him in that conversation to say that he needs to give us a seat, and he cannot consider that as any kind of a physical violence or assault. But of course, the CCTV footage certainly telling a very different story, Ankita.
Right, Uma. Thanks very much indeed for getting us that first interview with the TDP MP. He, of course, denies that he sort of behaved like a hooligan at the airport, but those visuals, as you point out, telling quite another story altogether.